Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some grilled vegetables, just some very basic vegetables. I have a zucchini, a yellow squash, and a couple red peppers that I'm going to be grilling off. The zucchini and yellow squash are both cut about a 1/4 inch thick, and red pepper just kind of in quarters, if you will. I have a spice mix with some salt, pepper. I'm going to be serving this with some Latin food, so I have some fresh cilantro, I have granulated garlic, I have some thyme, and I have some paprika, and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to be mixing this up. Just dump it in. I could add maybe a tablespoon of olive oil. Tablespoon and a half, maybe. I don't like a lot of oil in my things. It's plenty. And we're just going to mix this up really well. And once it's all mixed, we'll go out to the grill and I'll show you what to do with it. So I'll see you shortly. So now we're working on our grilled vegetables. Our grill is hot. And I'm going to very, very carefully place each vegetable so I get very, very nice grill marks. Just like so. Just spread them out a bit so they cook relatively even. Ideally, with the zucchini and the yellow squash, you should be putting it at what we call 10 o'clock and then, 10 o'clock and then 2 o'clock. And that'll give you really nice grill marks. I'm actually just going to close this up and let it cook for a minute or two, and I'll show you what it looks like. So our vegetables have been cooking for right about 2 minutes, and I'm just going to turn them the other way. That way, when they come off and I present them, they'll have really nice grill marks. You notice whatever way they're facing, I'm basically spinning them 90 degrees. The peppers don't matter too much. I'm just going to move them so it doesn't burn too much on the bottom. And we'll take another look in 2 minutes. So this has been grilling for just another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to give them a flip. The zucchini and yellow squash cook pretty quickly. Maybe 6 to 8 minutes to cook. The red peppers will take a little bit longer. And I'll show you what it looks like in another minute. See you shortly. So at this point, our zucchini and yellow squash have been cooking just for literally maybe about another minute, 5 minutes in total, and they're done. So I'm going to take these off. The red peppers probably have to go for another few minutes. I just lost one, but that happens. Just remove the red pepper and cook these for probably just another 2 or 3 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like in another 2 minutes. So our peppers have been grilling for just another 2 minutes. So that's a little bit overdone, but it's all right. I'm gonna peel some of the skin off. Now I'll put these on a plate. I'll show you what they look like, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. So our grilled vegetables are finished. I put them on a plate so you can see what they look like. Definitely try. Really, really, really good. Has great flavor. The seasoning is perfect. The grill marks, like a little bit of a smoky flavor. Really, really nice dish. Anyway, If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Be safe, everyone. Till next time.